Well, hey guys, we're back again. We're gonna go after some crappie and bass. I got my son with me, Chuck, and he's gonna do a little bit of bass fishing.
Hey guys.
And I'm gonna do a little crappie fishing. He's gonna be using what? Spinners and topwaters?
Topwaters and spinners.
And I'm gonna be using the beetle spin with a live minnow. Let's see what we can do, guys. There he is.
Little bass. Big little one.
Yeah, he's a pounder.
Well, at least I didn't get skunked already. That's a nice little bass.
Yeah, good one. There he is. What we got here? Yeah, no, that's a black crappie. That's a black crappie. They're just lighter colored in this lake over here. Oh yeah, he's a pretty little dude. We'll take him. There he is.
He ain't too bad. He nice little bass.
Oh
About a
yeah.
pounder maybe. Have fun. Yeah. That's a nice one there. I might need a net. Pretty good size, bad figure out.
Oh yeah. There you go. That's a bass.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Real nice bass.
You gonna give him away?
What do you think? 2.5, maybe 3?
Yeah, let me get the scale and check him out.
Alright. He's a pretty good thick bass too. Look how thick he is.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they're solid in here.
Yeah, that's a thick bass.
I say you're gonna be about close to 3.
Yeah, that's
2.5 to 3.
About 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. Maybe 3 pounds.
290, 291.
Good job. Go ahead and
Yeah, that's a
release him.
pretty one. Oh, yep. He's a pretty one. Later.
Black and Stone Beach is doing alright right now.
Mm-hmm. Alright, this looks like a crappie spot right up here. Little stick out here by itself. There he is. We got the first little white crappie. And boy, is he little. Yeah, we got the first little white one. He's long. But later.
Got one.
Oh yeah, he's a good one.
Nah, he's little.
Is he?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
A white bass.
Yeah, he's light colored and
Real light. Alright.
and there she is. Hey, that's good. There might be another one up there. That's a good eater right there. Mm-hmm. Little old white crappie is pretty good. We'll take him.
Got him.
Mm-hmm. What is that, a crappie?
I think it's a little bass. Yeah, it's a little bass.
Oh yeah.
It's that white whopper plopper.
Oh, change the lure and they bite something different, huh?
He did. He hit it before it hit it even started rolling. Little bitty bass.
If I look right through here, Chuck, you can see the bait fish.
There he is. A little nicer.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. on a white whopper plopper.
He's a little bit nicer. Yeah.
Yep, that's a good one. That's definitely different than a buzzbait, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
There he is. What do I got here? That's fighting like a... Is that a bass? Yeah, it's a bass. Yep, little old guy. Later.
He said, what if I came up to you and said I wanted to be with you? I said, well,
There he is. Let me see what we got. Man, this is a good something. You might need to get the net or something.
a big bass, man.
Oh, is it a bass?
Yep.
Caught him on my little...
Beetle spin.
Yeah. I'll get him. I'll get
I
him.
got him right here.
This is my little brim pole.
That's 4 pound test. That's probably a 2.5 pound bass.
Well, it's a 6 pound test.
Is it?
Yeah. Careful, don't bump it too loud.
Sorry.
Chase the crappies. Yeah. He's a couple pounds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Pretty little bass. He's a little, I'd like to see him a little fatter, but they're thick.
Yeah, he's thick bass.
Later.
Looks a little poor, don't he?
He don't look poor. He just ain't got a big pot belly yet. And they're fixing to.
Well, this sucker here's got him good, too. Yeah, little beauty.
Yep. Good one. Good fighter. Got that little crappie finally. Oh yeah, he's a pretty good one. He's a good eater. We'll take him.
Yeah.
And maybe they catch some baby brim and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got that.
That sucker there sounds like he's pretty nice. Sounds like he is.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty nice.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Wow.
About 2.5 pounds.
You think?
Maybe.
I'll give him a weigh in and see.
Yeah, about 2 pounds. Looking at him wrong.
Oh. About 2 pounds, you think? Yeah, I'll say about 2.5. $2.17.
About 2 pounds.
Yep. Pretty good one, Chuck. That's a good spot right there, but a trolling motor probably messed him up.
There he is.
That's a good crappie.
I've seen him.
Easy, baby. Man, that thing is long.
That is a long crappie right there.
Let me see if I can lip him. Oh, yeah. That's a pretty good one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. That's a pretty one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Pretty white crappie. We take him.
Got him.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna get him?
I hope so. That's a good fighter.
Is he a big one?
Yeah, he's pretty good size. He ain't a big one, but
Oh yeah, you got him. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Another two plus.
You ain't my pole I was seeing. Them are the ones that you always lose. But yeah, I got a good hook set on it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Not too bad. Alright, fella.
This was a good spot too. It looked like a good spot. There he is. Looks like a white crappie. Oh yeah, he'll be a good eater. We'll take him.
There he is.
Cranking him in there, ain't you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a pretty bass.
Mm-hmm.
Got a grayish color to him.
Yeah.
There he is. Another white crappie. Y'all throw your thing on there.
That's a big rental.
Oh, I got something. I got a crappie. Got two fish going on here. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good crappie. Man, we're gonna have to weigh that dude if you get him in.
Maybe 5 pounds, maybe. Nah, I say about 4.
Pretty good crappie, we'll take him. Let's see what Chuck's got here. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Try to get him in here.
Don't think you're losing.
Are you?
Yeah. See my hook.
Let me see if I can get him up from behind. Yeah. He don't like to be up underneath him, does it? Man, he got some battle scar on him.
Yeah, I know, I've seen that.
Now your hook's going to be in the net, I'm sure.
That was just that spinner bait.
$5.29. Ooh, I like the way he got his fin kicked up. That's a good one. Man, that thing's about about 2.5 foot long. Pretty good one.
Yeah, he hurts too, man.
Later.
You get a hook in your finger and 5 pounds dragging down.
Oh, look at that. And just realizing he's hooked.